Welcome to AI Tools Club. Think of it, from the screen, to the ring, to the pen, to the king. The new song by KSI has made a mark on the music industry and meme communities. The song has nearly 60 million views on YouTube. 60 M's. It is a good song. I like it. But do you know what I like more? Understanding the meaning behind lyrics. And just because this song is so special to me, I decided not to read any articles explaining the song, but use AI for it. But again, not any AI tool. I'm gonna use notebooklm by Google. If you don't know what notebooklm is, you are missing out. It is an AI-powered research assistant that can help you organize and analyze information. In simple words, it's a note-taking software. You can chat with PDFs, websites, text, and more. So to understand the meaning behind anything, or in this case, Think of It by KSI and Trippie Redd, I'm going to use notebooklm. But first, make sure you like and subscribe. First, go to notebooklm's website and get started. Link on Create, you'll then see several options. You can add a document or link documents using Google Drive, add a website or YouTube video link, or paste text straight up. I tried linking the YouTube video, but it didn't work, so I copied the lyrics and pasted it into the source option. Let it load, and now you can click on Audio Overview option and wait for a few minutes. Here you have it. Think of It by KSI and Trippie Redd, explained by notebooklm. Here's a gist of it.
Okay, so today we're doing something a little different.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going deep on a story, but not like a book or a movie.
Interesting. What is it then?
It's told through song lyrics, kind of like a musical autobiography.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah, and we're going to try to figure out, the journey of this artist just from what they're saying. And one phrase that I noticed was "in the thick of it."
I think it gives you that feeling that the speaker's in the middle of, some pretty intense experiences, and they're very aware of being watched.
And then there's that one line of their career path.
Yeah.
Where they say, from the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king.
Oh, yeah. I love that one.
Yeah.
I like how it paints a picture of someone who's constantly evolving,
Yeah.
trying new things.
Yeah.
And ultimately striving for a position of power.
Exactly. Yeah. And they're not afraid to claim that power either.
Oh, no.
They will say, where's my crown? That's my bling.
Yeah.
Which I thought was just a really bold statement.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a real declaration of their
Yeah.
own worth and accomplishment.
Totally. But then the tone shifts.
I love notebooklm and I love Think of It by KSI. Try it with your favorite song and understand its deeper meaning using notebooklm. The full explained video link in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out Think of It and notebooklm. Link in the description.